drone is trapped in the tree. And we're gonna have to do a rescue. See it? It's up there. It's hard to see because it's gray on brown. It's straight up there. Bryan's gonna go in the bucket and try to get it down. Somehow I've been nominated to operate the tractor to get Bryan to the top of the tree to rescue the drone. So we're gonna take the pool leaf skimmer and somehow attach it to this black pipe to extend it. Oh, and duct tape. And I get to use the tractor and raise him to the sky.
Red Green says you always gotta have duct tape.
So Tyler was checking the cattle because we're calving right now, and he's got a back problem, so he's supposed to be in bed rest. So he's been using the drone to check the cattle to see how they're doing and make sure that as the animals calf, there's no issue. If there's an issue, we get out here and quick. Temperature has been pretty cold. Last night was, or the early this morning was minus 26. Right now it feels warmer. It's nice and bright. Sun shining, but the air is crisp for sure. And Bryan got kicked by a cow this morning, so he too has got some leg issues. So it's one issue after another. We may need to get some extra help around here. Okay, here goes nothing.
So the plan is Anne's gonna just lift me all the way up with the bucket, and then I should be able to just capture the drone with the leaf net.
With the leaf net. So ideally we don't want to let the drone fall to the ground because it'll break.
We were thinking about just trying to catch it, but it's not baseball season.
No, and it's up pretty high. It's way up there. Let's see if I can zoom in. There we go. Many a time I've had to do this, and I hate it every time. This is definitely an unsafe thing to do. This gadget's too long. The drone's up there still. I can see the drone. Too long, I can tell. It's bending way too much. Doesn't have enough control. Oh, I think he's stuck on a branch. Oh, that sun is bright. Yeah. He's got too much length. It looks like he just shortened it a bit. Oh, so he needs the length, but as he gains the length, he loses the sturdiness of the post, of the pole. Can't control where it goes. The drone's still up there. Let's make it a bit shorter again. Put the camera down to go closer. Oh, he's close. The branch is in the way. Oh, oh, oh. And he rescues it. Let's get him down safely. In the pool skimmer. I don't know if you can see it. Where is it? got to get him down now. There it is over here, inside the leaf skimmer. I'm putting the phone down to bring him down safely. Okay, he's down on the ground, still in the bucket, but I got him down safely. Now let's see what it looks like. Any damage?
Nope. No damage.
No damage. Success! This is not something you want to do at home. You really shouldn't lift the bucket with someone in it.